Sanchita, welcome to the studio. And you're coming with Villa. It's coming, I mean, Pizza sequel.
Yeah.
So, how is it going to be? Pizza is something like a suspense thriller. So, how is Villa going to be?
Villa falls under the same genre, same thriller and horror mix of both.
Okay.
But it's entirely different story. It's not a sequel. It doesn't start with the ending point of Pizza.
Okay.
It's a different
It's
story.
nowhere related to that.
Nowhere related.
Okay.
It's generically the same,
Okay.
but it's a different story altogether. It's more like a franchise, Pizza franchise. It's not a sequel. So yeah.
Okay. So, this is also a thriller, suspense thriller.
Yeah.
Thriller,
horror.
Okay. So, Ashok, tell me, how are you into this project?
I did Soodhukom, that was my first film.
Okay.
And then after that, I was waiting. I mean, I was in the idea to do a lead in any film. I got the confidence from Soodhukom.
Okay.
So right after the shooting of Soodhukom, C.V. Kumar sir, our producer, called me to the office. And then after that, I did an audition. I didn't know it was an audition for Villa.
Okay.
I didn't know anything. I didn't know the character. I didn't know it was the lead. I didn't know anything. So they just gave a plain paper with the dialogues in it. It didn't have any character name or in which project, nothing. So I just did whatever the character outline they gave. I just did, and they said, "Okay, you're doing it." So,
Okay.
yeah.
So, Sanchita, how will be your character in this?
I'm playing the character name is Aarti,
Okay.
and she's a Christian girl.
Okay.
And like next door girl, like you can see me like a very simple clothes, college going girl. What they wear, the salwar and kurtis like that. And it's a very performance oriented role compared to the Soodhukom, the previous movie I have acted the same production house in.
Okay. You both acted in that movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Soodhukom.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, in this, like, compared to Soodhukom, I have a different kind of role in this movie.
Okay.
Yeah. The
So how are you into this project? First మీకు అంటే ఎలా జరిగింది ఇదంతా?
while doing Soodhukom, they called me for an audition.
Okay.
So I given and I got selected. They felt I'm apt for the Aarti character, so I got it.
Okay. So first time మీరు స్టోరీ విన్నప్పుడు or మీ క్యారెక్టర్ విన్నప్పుడు how did you felt?
It's a separate story altogether. I mean, after I've been waiting all my life to do the lead role in any film, and they said you're going to do lead for Pizza 2, which is a huge thing for any
Yes,
aspiring
yes.
actor without any backup. It's a huge thing.
Yeah.
So when producer said you're doing the lead role, I was in the ninth, I mean, some other world.
Yeah, it's-
So after that, he said, go listen to the script. And then my director Deepan the narration was for 2 hours. First half an hour, it didn't go inside. I was thinking
You're
how,
in a trance.
yeah, I was thinking how my mom will react to the news, how my friends will react, because everyone's been hoping on me that this guy will do something in life. So I was thinking on those terms. And then after that, I asked the director, can you repeat it again? Can you do the narration again? Then I listened to the script, and it's a very intelligently written script. It's a superb script. So without any second thought, I said, I'll do.
Okay. So what is your feeling after listening to the story?
This is completely for me as a completely different different character. I have to adapt a lot of inputs, and the character wise I have to improve more, and it is a completely different experience for me to play this Aarti role.
Okay. So coming to the director, Deepan Chakravarti. So this is his debut movie, right, as a director?
Yes.
ఇద్దరికి తెలుగు రాదు అర్థం కెన్ యూ మేనేజ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు
I'll try, but it's
కెన్ యూ రిప్లై
I'll try because they tell me like that and I forget Telugu words.
బికాస్ దిస్ రీచ్ ఈస్ మోర్లీ టు
Ready. Rolling.
Rollinga? So Ashok, coming to the director, Deepan Chakravarti. As a director, this is his debut movie.
Yes.
So how you felt? I mean, how far he succeeded in? After seeing the output, how you felt?
It's a very understandable, very intelligent. His filmmaking skills are very nice. His imaginative skills, visualization, it's all nice, and he's very friendly to work with. It's my first film as a hero, so that pressure was already there, and it's Pizza 2, so the pressure was double. So he created an environment where it was very easy as in it wasn't scary enough. So we had discussions going on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give him a lot of inputs. I mean, most of it will be rejected, but anyway, I'll be telling him we can do this, we can do that. So it was a very friendly environment. The chemistry between me, him, and the cameraman were really nice. So I don't know, maybe because we are of the same age group, so there wasn't any restriction for.
Anything.
So any actor would understand how useful it is. No restrictions. So it was very helpful that way.
Okay. So Sanchita, how is your working experience with Deepan?
Is a intellect person because he has a lot of we can learn so many things from him. Usually the directors, like, you have to do this only, I need this kind of expression, and I wanted this. So Deepan also as one of the director like that, and he was asking me different kind of expressions, like, and that sad expression itself, so he wanted me to act 3 different variations.
Okay.
So that I'm like, I felt, yeah, it's first debut movie, but he's really managed all characters, he carried really well. And me and Ashok and other few actors also, two co-artists acted with us in this movie and come out really well. And he handled every characters really well.
Okay. So though the both movies are different, both are different, Pizza and Pizza 2 Villa, but people will definitely compare the movie.
Yes.
Because it is coming as Pizza 2.
Yeah.
So how did you manage, and how did Deepan manage, and how you all manage the things?
No, comparison is bound to happen. As soon as we signed the dotted line, we knew comparison is bound to happen. Anything we do, it's going to be compared to the Pizza
Yes.
one.
And people will like expect more, obviously.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
Expectations is
Yeah,
higher.
high.
So than a usual any normal film, expectations are higher. But it's a big opportunity for all of us. For if we are all established people, we can think on those terms. They'll compare. What if they don't like our work than them all? But we are all newcomers, sort of. Me, the director, not her. I mean, she's established and big
Star.
heroine.
Thank you.
But me and the director all new, so it's a big opportunity for us. It's a big break. So we gave all, as in all our efforts, full effort. So at the end of the day, we can't judge, how they'll compare, what they'll compare. We gave everything. Let's see how the outcome comes.
The pressure is there definitely because of the brand, because of
Yes,
the
yes.
tag, and we are all really like, we were worried, like, everybody, the next question is that sequel? And we were all fed up explaining, no, this is not sequel, and this is related to house. The previous movie also, entire movie shot in the house,
House,
and
yes.
this movie also shot in the house.
Same house.
Yeah, same. Not same house, like
Okay.
inside the house. Yeah, and it's actually we can call object-oriented subject, and the house, not only hero, heroine, other characters. The house also played a very good role in this movie.
So tell me about the music. Ante ilanti subject ki music plays a very
Very
crucial
important.
role.
Yeah.
So tell me about the music and the music director.
Music is done by Santosh Narayanan.
Yes.
He's a very talented person. I don't have to say that. I'm a big fan of him. Right from Attakati, there's this movie called Attakati
Okay.
in Tamil, and there's a song called Asai or Pulveli. It's a beautiful song, and I kept listening to the song on loop. I didn't know the guy. I don't know the team. I don't know anything. But that song is so soulful. It's tremendously beautiful. So I'm a big fan of him, and it was a dream come true for me to work with him in this movie. So my favorites are Boomil. There's a song called Boomil, and Pam Pam Pam, the heavy metal song. Those are my favorites.
Telugulo?
Telugulo same.
అంటే తెలుగులో లిరిక్స్
Telugulo భూమి సేమ్ అనుకోండి సేమ్ I think same. Because he if you compare the 4 movies, he's a good musician.
Okay.
And actually he composed songs in Australia, not in
Mastered.
India. Yeah. And each and every song is different and unique if you listen to the songs. And heavy metal song is there, melody song is there, hunting song is there, and disco woman, like a rock band.
The songs will blend
Yes.
with the movie.
Yeah, it come out really well.
ఓకే